Today, we are going to make a Minecraft zombie battle game in Scratch. By the end of this video, you will learn how to make a Minecraft zombie fighting game like this one. You control Steve, and he will throw axes to defeat zombies. It is super easy and fun to play. Let's get started. First, let's upload the Minecraft backdrop. Then upload Steve and the axe sprite. Now, let's add some controls for Steve. When the green flag is clicked, go to the starting position and set the size to 30%. Then use a forever loop. If the left arrow key is pressed, change X by -10. If the right arrow key is pressed, change X by 10. Now Steve can move left and right. Next, let's make Steve attack the zombies. When the green flag is clicked, use a forever loop. If the space key is pressed, create a clone of the axe. Then wait 0.5 seconds before throwing another axe. Now, let's code the axe. When the green flag is clicked, set the size to 10% and hide the axe at the beginning. When the axe starts as a clone, make it appear at Steve's location. Then use a forever loop to make the axe move. Change Y by -8 so the axe falls downward, and turn 10 degrees each step so it looks like the axe is spinning while flying. Finally, we need to remove the axe when it reaches the ground. If the Y position is less than -160, delete the clone. Now, every time we press the space key, Steve will throw a spinning axe that falls to the ground. Now, let's upload the zombie and make it move. To make the game more interesting, we will create a speed variable so the zombie moves faster and faster during the game. When the green flag is clicked, set the initial speed to 3. Set the rotation style to left-right. Go to the starting position and set the initial size. Then use a forever loop. Make the zombie move steps equal to the speed, and when it touches the edge, make it bounce back. To increase the challenge, we add another condition. Whenever the axe hits the zombie will move faster by increasing the speed variable. This way, the more zombies you hit, the harder the game becomes. Now, let's create a scoring system. We will need two variables. One called score to track how many zombies you hit, and another called missed to track how many axes you miss. First, go back to the axe sprite. When the green flag is clicked, set score to 0 and miss to 0. Next, add a new condition. If the axe touches the zombie, increase the score by 1 and delete the clone. And if the axe misses and falls to the ground, increase missed by 1, then delete the clone. Now the game can track how well you are doing. To end the game, we can upload a game over screen. Now, let's set up the condition to end the game. When the green flag is clicked, use a forever loop. If the missed variable reaches 5, broadcast a game over message. Then we stop the game. We also want the game over screen to pop up when the game ends. Go to the game over sprite. When the green flag is clicked, hide the sprite at the beginning. When I receive the game over message, show the sprite. And that's it. You just created your own Minecraft zombie game in Scratch. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you in the next game.